And the other one? Good girl. Mind your fingers though. Push it. Yeah, good girl. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. It is Sunday, and it's around about 4 PM. Might be a bit earlier than that actually. We've popped up to Ashford Warren, which is a woodland what the army barracks used to use as a training ground, and now it's been turned into a massive car park and a countryside walk. So I thought we'd get out for a wander. Got to do my window up actually because it's still undone. Danielle and Eden are just over there, coming over to us. Indy's ready. She's got her welly boots on too, and this is the car park. It's quite a nice little place actually. I was meant to bring the single pushchair with me, but I completely forgot. So we are going to go for a walk now, see what we can find. Never been here before. Well, I have been here before, a long time ago, for a walk. But I think they've done a lot to it. There's also cattle roaming free in here as well. Highland cattle, I think they are. So we're going to get ready, and we are going to get through the woods, and we'll meet you back when we're at the woods. Nice little woody there actually. It's got a nice little grassy bit where the rabbits run free. And then we go into the woods. I bet it's be quite nice up in the dark at night time. Let's go. Might not be able to go too far because of the pushchair. We'll have a go. It's been a bit of an eventful day or two at ours. We're under attack again. We was under attack in January. If you're a regular watcher, you would have seen the wasp nest that we had in our loft. And we're under attack again, but in our garden. We have a lot of wasps, bees and hoverflies at the moment because we have an old tree on the patio, next to the patio, and we've got a tree surgeon we've got booked up to come and take the tree down Tuesday morning, so that should be interesting. So this afternoon I've had to take our gazebo down, get all the kids' toys moved, and what a nice little wood. So we're ready for Tuesday now, so look at that, beautiful. You can go for a walk if you want. Walk off. There's a tree over there that you might want to climb, but obviously be very careful. Go around this way. I apologise for the bumpiness, but it's very bumpy down here. It's lovely and quiet, isn't it? You wouldn't think we're in Ashford. It's very quiet. Obviously the mountain bikers use it down here quite a lot. They've made ramps and stuff. It's a bouncy tree. Look, bouncy, 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 bouncy. That's good, isn't it? Slow down, careful. Don't go too fast because it's a bit of a hill. Right, do you want to hold my hand and we go around that way? Get on in. Oh, you've lost your boot! Oh no! You lost your boot! Right, let's get your boot back on then. It's alright, we got it. We haven't lost it. Yeah, kiss your foot. Kiss his foot. There you go. You lost your boot, baby. Don't lose your boot. It fell off, didn't it? Huh? It fell off. You kicking the dirt. Is that fun? It's a lovely, lovely wood. Really nice. I can imagine it's quite nice coming up here wild camping. I might think about that. Only for the night. That'd be a good vlog. You going for a walk? Don't get lost. And be careful of the goblins. Look out for the goblins, Eden. That's it, I've got you. Let's go for a walk too, shall we? Way! Alright. then. Let's go for a wander. It's quite steep, isn't it? It's fun. Wow, look at that. Look at the house. You in it? You gonna go in, Indy? You gonna walk in and see your new house?
No house. Look, I made house.
Wow. Oh, careful. You gonna get in?
No. It's too big for it.
Wow.
No, you're not. You're never too big to get in a house like that.
Wow.
Way! You gonna go camping tonight? You gonna sleep in it? No. No. Wow. You going, Indy? Did you bump your head? Bump. Let's get a picture of you two. Yeah, look at me. Girlies!
That's not a waspy, then.
No, that's not a waspy.
That's just a fly.
That's just a fly. Look at you two in your house. Indy. Indy. Eden. 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 Oh, you're going to go and see Dan's then, Indy? Oh, come here.
Are you okay?
You can go and see Indy? You can go and see Dan's? Way! You fell over. Up you get. What have you got there? What is it? What is it? You got a baby tree. You can give it to Mummy? You can give it to Mummy when you get home. Let's have a look over this way. The pushchair's fine. There's nothing on the pushchair apart from drinks. Do you want to hold my hand, Eden?
No,
Indy, you want to hold my hand? Yeah? Come on then. Me and you go this way. Watch we going.
Come on, Eden. I'm gonna run. Run this way.
Hey, who's this? Hello. Where are they? Come on then. Good girl. Right, you going to walk on your own? Go on then. Nice and slowly. No rush. You like that, didn't you? Do I? Who? What, over there? Yeah, the pushchair's over there. That's all right. We'll go back to the pushchair in a minute. This way. Someone's made a big ramp over there for BMXing. This reminds me of the dips in Chinkford. Just spend all my summer holidays up there when I was little. Are you sitting down now? You gonna get up? Go on, you can do it. You can do it. I'll brush your hands off, it's right. It's only a little bit of dirt. Doesn't matter. It's not going to kill you. There you go. We'll get a baby wipe on you in a minute when we get back to the car. Imagine this is quite pretty in the winter, actually. What do you reckon, Ian? Did you think this would be nice in the winter? With all the snow? Huh? What is it? What is it? Yeah? Alright, I'm going to go back towards the pushchair. Indy. Indy windy woo. We'll go this way. We'll go and get the pushchair. They're going to sit on the bench. We'll go back and get the pushchair and we'll make our way to the bench. Come on in. It's not too far. It's only over there. Yeah. I do like coming up to woods. I used to spend a lot of my, I think I just said a minute ago, I used to spend a lot of my childhood in the middle of Epping Forest, Pole Hill in Chinkford, And then I used to have all my friends that used to go out on BMXs and mountain bikes. And we'd make our way up to the woods at something stupid like 9 o'clock in the morning. And we'd like stay out until about 2, go back home, get a sandwich and a packet of crisps and a drink. And then back up to the woods until it started to get dark or the street lights come on. And that was how it was when we was younger in the 80s. That was a childhood. Unfortunately, children these days, that sort of age group, 8, 9, 10, it's all Xboxes and computer screens and tablets and smartphones. So they don't do this sort of stuff. See, if this was 20 years ago, this would be packed with kids. There'd be kids running wild with BMX bikes all over the place. But there's not a single sausage peeper. There's nobody here. Nobody at all. It's just us. So we've got the whole woods to ourselves. But I am aware of the time, so we need to think about getting back soon. Because these little ladies need feeding. What would you like for dinner tonight, darling? Would you like a pork chop? A lamb chop? Fillet of steak? What would you like? Smiley faces and nuggets? Can you hear the birdies? There's lots of birdies, isn't there? There's lots of birdies. That'd be nice to have a picnic somewhere along here. Maybe we'll do that next week. Under that big tree over there. That'd be nice to have a picnic under there. What you got? A stone? Right, I'm going to go back this way. Windy, windy, woo!
Cheaper stone up
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Nice smile. Right, we're going to make our way back to the car. You alright, you two? Make our way back to the car. Go on then. Careful. No, don't run away! Don't run away, girlies! Go on, you go through.